We're giving away some awesome GoRuck gear. Check it out at the link below. You'll find great Black Friday deals at plenty of retailers. But you're also probably looking for top deals on Amazon, so we're rounding up some of the best Prime travel deals this season. All of these are confirmed by our favorite brands, and we'll also be updating our Amazon list with additional deals that we find, so be sure to check that out at the link in the description below. While this video only covers travel products on Amazon, we also have a video highlighting sales on brands' websites. Be sure to check that out if you missed it. For now, let's get into the gear. Tortuga makes some of our favorite bags, and this Black Friday, they're knocking up to $50 off select gear on Amazon. So if you need a new travel backpack, this is the time to get it. The Travel Backpack Pro 40 liter has a lot of usable space for packing cubes and pouches, so you can organize your gear your way instead of trying to fit everything into different compartments that might not be the right size. There are a few quick access pockets and an admin panel for your accessories, along with a pocket in the laptop compartment for tech. However, the main compartment is wide open to hold cubes or clothing, and there's a panel on the lid that you can unzip for more space to pack. The harness system is completely adjustable, so you can really dial in the fit to make it comfortable. The star of the show has to be the hip belt, though. It does an excellent job of supporting the load, although it sometimes creates a gap between your shoulders and the bag when you're wearing it. If you need the same capacity but want to save some weight, opt for the Tortuga Travel Backpack Lite. It cuts some features to save a pound from the Pro. You might also want to get the packable backpack, which has 19 liters of space for everyday gear. The material smooths out quickly after it's unpacked too, so it looks more like a traditional day pack than a packable bag as you explore a new destination. Tomtoc bags are a great value any time of the year. But when you could save up to 25% on certain items on Amazon, it's a really great deal. We're using Black Friday as an excuse to talk about one of our favorite slings, the tomtoc Aviator T33, which lets you carry the essentials in a bag with a small footprint. The broad strap on this ripstop nylon is comfortable, and the buckle won't dig in if you wear it on your front while carrying a backpack on your back. The front pocket holds a snack, wallet, or standard size phone, and your passport and other travel documents slot nicely into the back pocket. Larger gear fits well in the main compartment. It has a liner pocket along the back for flat items like a phone, a middle section that can hold your everyday tech or sunglasses, and a zippered mesh pocket for small accessories that could get lost elsewhere. You'll want to get that sling while it's on sale since it pairs well with our favorite tomtoc travel backpack, the 40-liter Navigator T66. If you need a day pack instead, the 22-liter VintPack TA1 laptop backpack is a great option thanks to its intuitive quick access design, ample storage, and heritage style. If you need something that can carry a lot and you want to be flexible with how it's carried, check out the Thule Chasm Duffel. This 40-liter bag packs like a duffel but carries like a backpack when you want, and is on sale with other Thule gear, which is up to 25% off through December 1st. Its huge main compartment is just waiting to be filled with whatever you need, whether that's packing cubes and pouches, gym clothing and shoes, or a little bit of everything. Two zippered pockets on the lid hold accessories, and a quick access pocket on one end holds small items you use often, like your phone, wallet, and keys. You can cinch it in when carrying less with 4 compression straps, and then decide whether you want to carry it by hand or on your back. The handles lock down on the sides when you want it in backpack mode, and the shoulder straps are removable when you're using it as a duffel, so there's never any extra dangling around. It's also packable, so you can stash it inside your checked suitcase or struggle less to find storage in your house for another big bag. But if you need to carry a laptop, the 28-liter Thule Ion might be a better fit. It can hold up to a 16-inch device, yet still has an easy-to-fill clamshell-style main compartment. Or go for the soft but super durable Subterra 2 carry-on suitcase spinner. We dig its organizational features and find it really easy to pack for any trip. Bellroy's putting some select styles 20% off through December 1st, so now is a great time to stock up on Amazon. What's on sale varies by region, so you'll have to check out Amazon in your own country, but they've put the Lite Totepack on sale in the US before, so we're hoping it's on sale again this year. The slimmed-down design and Duralite nylon maximize the 18-liter capacity of the bag without increasing its weight. Its thin tote handles are a little rough for extra grip, but it also has padded shoulder straps that are quite comfortable as long as you keep them a little longer and looser than usual, giving you options when it comes to carrying the bag. Toss everyday carry items in the front pockets, which share a zipper, and then use the large drop pockets to keep the main compartment organized. We think it's a great bag to take on a trip, as long as you're leaving a computer behind, since it lacks a laptop sleeve. Instead, this setup works well for carrying larger items, whether it's groceries back from the local market or packing cubes filled with an extra outfit or two. We're also eyeballing Bellroy's Venture Pouch and Cinch Bucket Bag. The pouch is great for carrying tech and can turn into a sling if you attach a strap to the loops on the back. The bucket bag is perfect for outdoor excursions since its main compartment is easily accessible thanks to the cinch closure. Your phone needs to keep up when it's time to document your next vacation and capture those holiday memories. So keep the power flowing with this UGREEN battery bank, which is on sale with other select gear. The MagFlow magnetic wireless power bank has 10,000 mAh of power to recharge your devices on the go. You get 25 watts of power through the wireless Qi 2 charger, which will get an iPhone 16 Pro Max up to 33% in 20 minutes. You'll even get more power with the built-in cable, which charges at a rate of 30 watts. That'll power up your phone, tablet, and certain laptops on the go. You might also like the Nexode 100-watt charger with the retractable USB-C cable for everyday use, since it can power up to 4 devices at once. Level up your packing game with luggage from Level 8. They've put select products on sale through Cyber Monday, making it a great time to get a new carry-on for your next trip. The Luminous textured carry-on uses German Macrolon polycarbonate for durability and scratch resistance, with a texture to hide any scuffs and scrapes that occur. The telescoping handle stops at 3 different levels, and the wheels spin 360 degrees for easy maneuvering. A TSA-approved lock keeps your items safe, and zippered panels hold it in place on each side. Like many carry-ons, the panels have zippered mesh pockets to hold flat gear, with a divided pocket on one side to keep things organized. If you're looking for something different, we also like the Hegent 20-inch carry-on for its matte finish and reinforced metal corners, and the Grace carry-on for times when you need to bring a laptop. You need to keep your toiletries organized on any trip. If you're looking for great options for kits and containers, check out Gravel. All of their products are 25% off on Amazon through Cyber Monday, so now is definitely a great time to stock up. Travelers who carry a lot, from sunscreen, soap, and shampoo to makeup, razors, and other tools, will appreciate the 6-liter capacity of the Explorer Max Toiletry Bag. Its large carry handle helps you get it to the bathroom, and there's a hanger to keep it off the countertop. A pocket on the back holds the hanger, along with items you use often, like tissues or sanitizer. The main compartment opens widely for access to the interior pockets, giving you open space to stow larger gear like a travel hairdryer. The final compartment opens fully clamshell and has more dialed-in organization to keep all of your bottles locked down and easy to find. If you need some of those, we like Gravel's soft 30-ounce liquid bottles' geometric design, since they stack well together. If the Max Toiletry Bag is too big, we also love the Explorer Mini Toiletry Bag's compact design. If you like to pack lightly for camping, this HYDAWAY collapsible pint comes in handy. It fits into cup holders and has a stainless steel rim for more stability while drinking, yet it collapses to the size of a hockey puck when it's time to go. And it's on sale for Prime members through December 1st. BPA-free silicone provides a plastic-free drinking experience, and it's available in a wide variety of colors to suit your style. While it's flexible to open and collapse, the sides get rigid when you fill it up. You can get a separate lid if you plan to take it on the go, or opt for the HYDAWAY collapsible water bottle instead. That one comes with a lid and a straw, so you don't have to worry about spilling as you power walk. If you snag a collapsible bowl too, you'll have an entire set for breakfast or snack time. Some chargers claim to be small and packable, but this 65-watt wall charger from Rolling Square is super tiny. It's right there in the name. And their gear is up to 70% off this Black Friday. The Supertiny 65-watt GAN charger is just over an inch cubed, yet is more powerful than the similarly sized charger that used to come with your iPhone. It can charge most small laptops and is compatible with PD 3.0 for maximum efficiency. You can also get versions for the EU and UK if you're traveling or live outside the US. That much power in a tiny package has the potential to get a little hot when charging for a long time at max speeds, but its rib sides should keep your fingers from making contact with the hot edges of the charger. It also provides a better grip to pull it from the outlet. You might also want to check out the AirNotch Pro, which helps you find your keys with smart tracking or an omnidirectional buzzer. You can get it in Apple or Android versions. Either way, I really love the glow-in-the-dark ring on it. It's helped me find my keys in a dark bag more times than I can count. The InCharge XS will also save you from carrying different cables, since you can adapt the USB-C ends to USB-A or Lightning to power up just about anything on the go. Travel and holiday stress can make it hard to get a good night's rest. Baloo Living can help with 15% off select items through Cyber Monday. Block out light and noise with their weighted silk sleep stone mask. We love how soft the mulberry silk feels against your skin, placing just enough pressure on your eyelids to help you calm down to rest. It also covers your ears to muffle sounds in the plane or hotel room, and attaches at the back with a hook and loop fastener. It can slip out of place pretty easily because of the silk material, so we think this mask is best for people who don't move around a ton at night. Choose a healing stone to rest over the chakra center between your eyes for good energy, but if crystals and auras aren't your thing, it's super small and sewn inside, so you won't even notice it's there. And while they're not exactly packable, you can get great deals on weighted blankets, comforters, and sheet sets to make your home feel just as luxurious as the hotel when you get home. You don't always need a big suitcase for a weekend trip or to hit the gym. Instead, you might want this tote from Low & Sons. You'll find coupons to help you save up to 50% off items like this on Amazon. The Catalina Deluxe is crafted from super soft canvas and recycled polyester for added durability. This large version has 49 liters of space, and it also comes in a 40-liter size if you want something smaller. We really like the padded bottom compartment because it's perfect for storing multiple pairs of shoes or one pair in a toiletry bag, keeping them separate from the rest of the main compartment. Inside that area is a large slip pocket and 2 drop pockets for accessories, along with lots of open space for a few days worth of clothing. Since it zips shut at the top, it's great for a weekend back home for the holidays or to use daily for gym clothing and work gear, as long as you put your laptop in a protective sleeve. If you want to pair that big tote with a smaller purse-like bag, check out the Pearl and the Waverly 2 while that sale is still going on. Of course, deals on the best gear won't do you any good if you lose it. A Nomad goods tracking card can help you locate it, so get one while it's on sale on Amazon. The credit card size tracker turns any wallet or bag into something locatable with Find My on your iPhone. The polycarbonate body is IPX7 waterproof and dustproof, and it lasts up to 5 months on a single charge, recharging wirelessly with a Qi charger. Since it's only 1.7 millimeters thick, you can slide it just about anywhere, from your wallet to your luggage, and it's easy to add to your Find My app. We also recommend the universal cable for Apple Watch, which can power up your watch and any other USB-C devices you use daily. No need to take up more space with 2 separate chargers. While your laptop comes with a trackpad, there's a good chance you still prefer using a mouse for certain tasks. Satechi's OntheGo Bluetooth mouse is soft to the touch and lightweight. So toss it in your day pack or travel bag to make work easier when you're not in the office. It's 30% off on Amazon for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, along with their other gear. It connects to your laptop or tablet using Bluetooth instead of cables that you'll just tangle up on the table, and lasts up to 80 hours on a single charge. You can toggle between up to 3 devices, saving you from pairing them every time you want to switch what you're using. The adjustable DPI button allows you to adjust the mouse sensitivity according to the task. Plus, it's compatible with Apple, Windows, Android, and Chrome. We also like Satechi's OntheGo 67-watt slim wall charger and 3-in-1 charger. The wall charger is much less bulky than other adapters, and the 3-in-1 allows you to charge your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch with just one cord in the hotel room. If you get all 3, you'll create the perfect travel tech setup. There are a ton of other brands on Amazon having sales for Black Friday and Cyber Monday that are worth checking out. Nightcore has some products up to 20% off for the weekend, so you might find our favorite tiny flashlight or battery bank marked down. Exter is running lightning deals and offering coupons, so be sure to check back daily to see what's on sale. Anchor's deals vary depending on the product, but you might be able to snag wall chargers, travel adapters, and battery banks at a lower price to stock up on travel tech for 2026. Likewise, Soundcore's deals on speakers and headphones vary by product. If you need a well-organized and modular bag or sling, check out Alpaca's sale. Their key clips and maglocks accessories, which are part of their hub ecosystem, make your life easier when transferring from bag to bag. A few other brands nearly always run deals on Amazon for Black Friday, so we're hoping to see more from them this year. Chances are you'll find discounts on Travel Pro if you're looking for new rolling luggage, and be sure to check out Eagle Creek so you can stock up on great packing cubes and toiletry kits. Swiss Gear is another brand to watch if you need a new day pack or carry-on. We've seen them put out discounts in past years, and we'd be surprised if they skip 2025. So that's what we're scouring Amazon for this Black Friday. What deals are you looking for? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.